Let's see how the HubSpot Sales email extension looks inside your inbox. You'll get the most use out of the email extension when you're composing a new email. This checkbox controls whether the email you're sending will be tracked. If you check this box, HubSpot Sales will notify you when the email gets opened. This is helpful in gauging a person's interest, and it can also tell you if an old lead is warming back up. If you see an email you sent months ago being reopened, it might be time to reach back out and see if the person's interest has returned. If you're using HubSpot Sales Pro, checking this box also tracks the links inside your email. Tracked links are an excellent indicator of a contact's interest. A person might open your email and not read anything you wrote, but if they click a link, that's a good sign that they're engaged. One thing to note is that HubSpot Sales will only track embedded links. So if you drop in a raw URL like this, you'll never know if it gets clicked or not. But if you embed the link behind some anchor text like this, you'll get an instant notification every time that link is clicked. If you ever want to view your past notifications, you can get to them by clicking this button here. This is the Login CRM checkbox. It controls whether the email you're sending will be recorded in the CRM. Even if the contact you're emailing doesn't have a record in your CRM, this checkbox will work. HubSpot CRM will just create a new record for the contact and save the email there. This sidebar is called the Contact Profile, and it appears anytime you compose an email. Up at the top, you can see a picture of the contact and some basic information about them. HubSpot Sales pulls this information from a variety of sources around the web. Below this basic information is a button. If the contact isn't already in your CRM, you'll see this orange Add to HubSpot button. Of course, if you're using the Login CRM checkbox, then this contact will automatically be added when you email them. But this button enables you to provide a bit of detail to the record, such as phone number and lifecycle stage. Below that button, you have a few different tabs. This first tab shows your recent email activity with this person. You can see at a glance what emails they've been opening and clicking. The next tab shows the contact's recent Twitter activity. If they're active on Twitter, this can help you build rapport and add context to your message. These tabs over here link out to the contact's Facebook and LinkedIn profiles. Especially early on in your relationship with someone, these can help you better understand the person you're talking to. Below the social section, down at the bottom of the screen, you can access information about the contact's company. This data all comes from publicly available sources and is compiled here for your convenience. After you've used this information to craft a relevant email, take a quick glance at your watch. Maybe right now is a convenient time for you to send this email. But is it a convenient time for your contact to receive it? If it's the middle of the night, a weekend, or a holiday, chances are your email will just get buried under a pile of other inconvenient messages. So instead of clicking send, click the little clock icon and schedule the email to be delivered at a time that's more convenient for your contact.